Looking for a mechanical keyboard that blends durability, style, and performance? The Corsair K68 RGB delivers all that and more. With vibrant per-key RGB backlighting and 100% Cherry MX switches, it's designed to give you a competitive edge whether you're gaming or working. What sets the K68 apart is its IP32 water and dust resistance. That means spills and dust won't slow you down, so you can keep playing no matter what happens. Plus, the Corsair Utility Engine software lets you customize dynamic lighting effects and create macros tailored to your gaming style. I've been using the K68 for nearly 9 months, juggling work and gaming. The keys feel solid and responsive during long typing sessions, and when it's game time, the quick response makes a noticeable difference. Even after a few coffee spills, the keys show no signs of wear or fading, which speaks volumes about its build quality. The keyboard also features dedicated volume and multimedia controls, so you can adjust your audio on the fly without breaking focus. A Windows key lock mode prevents accidental interruptions during intense matches, while the removable wrist rest adds comfort for extended sessions. One minor quibble: the RGB backlighting could be a bit brighter, especially in well-lit rooms. At full brightness, the lighting can wash out under strong office lights. Still, with the ability to sync lighting across other Corsair devices using iCUE, it's easy to create an immersive setup that looks great. If you want a mechanical keyboard that balances durability, customization, and solid performance without breaking the bank, the Corsair K68 RGB is worth a look. It handles everyday tasks smoothly and steps up when you need it most in your gaming sessions. Ready to upgrade your setup with a keyboard that can keep pace with your lifestyle? The Corsair K68 RGB offers reliable switches, spill resistance, and customizable lighting, all wrapped in a sleek design. Try it when you're ready to elevate your game and work experience.